Whoa.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
What do you guys think about these? What do you think about these? Omer?
yo, it should be an all shadow colorway. That's
You
what
think
I
so?
feel. Yeah, that's how I feel.
That would just
How
be
do
a
you feel?
shadow at that point.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. I feel like that would be harder, but I don't know. This is sick still. What do you think?
I honestly, you know what? At first, I didn't like them, but now that I look at them, I feel like they're a little wearable.
You
Like you
this?
don't see like okay, this is okay because I had the biohacks, but to be honest with you, this is ass. Like the tongue is
I
ass.
agree, bro. It should just
I
be
think the
this.
shoe is ass. These are so nice. I don't love the tongue.
No, they could have saved this shoe
like the
if they
tongue.
at least made the tongue
Like-
like a Nike Air and a Shadow Nike
I don't-
Air. you
I
know?
don't-
Yeah,
Mine.
yeah, so rate this out of 10 right now.
Dude, this is a 10 out of 10.
So then rate this out of 10.
Oh, okay, this is like a 5.
Okay, I was gonna say 3.
Wow.
mean,
Be nice to it, man. It's a
Honestly-
little. It's feeling a little rusty.
It's alright though. I think it's gonna
Honestly-
grow on me. I feel like it's
honestly-
gonna grow on me still.
I feel like I'm early on the ball in there.
You love them.
I
Yeah,
like
you
them.
like them.
Because they're different.
If you like them so much, why don't you marry it?
You know what? I might just do that, Jordan.
Third shoe you're marrying this week, brother. You gotta chill out.
Did Travis wear those? Did Travis wear those?
I don't know.
Not yet.
I don't like
Not yet.
I don't like it. It's the Travis.
If only Travis wears it, I like it.
No? I don't know. I feel like Jordan will be wearing these in the next few weeks.
Me? What do you Rust Shadow?
Rust? Oh yeah, true. That makes sense.
You know the vibes.
Yo, this guy's so famous. Can I get a picture?
Wait, look.
Shout out to Tim's. This is not a sponsored ad.
Look at this. Look. Same color as your hoodie.
Oh, now I have to copy.
I have to cop that.
Oh, why you gotta say that
This
to
guy's gonna
me?
post the next fit video.
Oh man.
Ooh, you got these ones too?
Yeah.
What's wrong with you, bro?
Everything.
What kind of illness did you come across?
Huh?
What kind of illness did you come across to get 2 pairs?
Brother.
This guy's.
This guy said, yo, I'm selling my whole shoe collection
I did.
to get a condo, right?
It's 2 pairs.
Right? Hold on. He sold like what, 17 pairs? Next thing you know, this guy got like 6 more pairs of shoes.
No.
Yeah.
No.
So like since that day, I think I've seen you wearing like 4 or 5 different pairs of shoes.
The
you
exposing
look
is
like-
real. Guys.
He took a break on shoes, got an essential sweater to
This guy
match
got an
the pair of
essentials hoodie. This guy.
But okay, imagine being me, going to my house, looking at my wall and starting to cry. Like, it was crazy, bro. I was like, wow. I need something.
So sad. So sad.
I need something.
Like DSLR and shit. You don't have like a full camera?
I do. I just didn't bring it today.
Or like vlogging and stuff?
Yeah. I'm just gonna post this on my phone right now on my channel, because,
You're not gonna chop it up?
no. No, I'm not.
You already know where we at. Hotbox, gang affiliation.
Gang shit.
You
Wow.
already know. Say no to racism. Gang shit.
Oh my god. Alright, guys. This is my cue to leave. Peace.
Easy, brother.
Peace.
Take care. Yo, good luck on
easy,
your
dog.
condo hunting.
Thank you. I'm still filming so I get more minutes. It's just getting further and further.
Jordan, yeah!
I'm still going. Alright, peace.
I hope you were recording now.
Okay, I don't know what happened there, but this guy just hexed me for some reason.
Turn off.
But if you guys want to see the first impression of the Rusty Shadows, this is what they look like. To be honest with you, first, this guy just interrupted my entire page.
What do you think?
Go away, Isaac. So I want to say to you guys, this is honestly a pretty cool colorway. I just feel like I'd kind of rate this maybe at like a 5 out of 10, to be honest with you. I just feel like they could have done a lot better. Huh?
Don't say that. Chris might just walk in.
Oh, shoot, eh? He's at Upper Canada still. Shout out to Chris, by the way, man. Upper Canada was a really good experience. But having said that, guys, let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys really feel about these? Would you rock them? Would you flip them? Would you stock them? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you do, if this video gets to 50 likes, Omer will lick the shoe.
Yeah, no, that's not happening. But Isaac will, for sure. Isaac is
man, I'm gonna pay you $1,000 if you take off this.
No. Yo, this one doesn't come off until I check GV braid ups.
Whoa, okay. Yo, we should do GV braid ups versus Lace by Claudia, bro.
Well, what was say that again?
Anyways, alright guys, so I'm gonna see you guys later. If you guys have made it this far in the video, like, share, subscribe, and comment down below.
Like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Big giveaway happening at 2 subscribers. 50% chance of everybody winning.
There you go, guys. Alright guys, and don't forget, as always, follow me on Instagram at Jake's Films, and also follow Hotbox_TO. Always hooking me up, and this is where I am now, so peace.